Hello guys, welcome to a fresh new episode of Bits Quest, where we talk about all the queries and all the doubts of aspirants and try to help them out. And the today's topic of discussion is bioscience. Yes, a lot of you people have a lot of misconceptions and questions and queries regarding what is this biological stream doing in engineering and should you actually even fill that in your preference form. What are the opportunities that lie ahead if you opt for biology in any of the BITS campuses, and do you even need to have a prior knowledge of biology before coming to BITS? So to clear all those confusions out, I will have a very special guest on my channel and I will be revealing her in a moment. Just to tell you more about her, she's a fourth year from BITS Pilani Goa campus. She has been an organizer and a curator at TEDx QMS Salt Lake and TEDx BITS Goa. But most importantly, she was a research intern at KTH Royal Institute of Technology, situated in Stockholm, Sweden. Yes, Sweden. She is also an undergraduate research assistant at the neuroscience lab in BITS Goa, and most importantly, she is leading the first 11-member team from BITS Pilani Goa. So what is iGEM? It's better to hear from herself. So presenting you the guest of this episode of BITS Quest, Arya Agarwal. Very warm welcome to my channel.
Thank you, Somrat.
Can you tell us more about you?
So I am Arya Agarwal and currently I'm in my fourth year of undergraduate program at BITS. And I've been enrolled in the dual degree program, which is MSc in biological sciences and a BE in chemical engineering. So that is about me. And currently I am also the team leader for iGEM BITS Goa, so which is first of its BITSian team representation on the iGEM platform.
So can you tell us more about what iGEM actually is?
Yeah, so basically iGEM is the International Genetically Engineered Machine. So it is one of its own, one of its kind of synthetic biological conference that is held every year in Boston. And it was in fact started by MIT back in some 2000s. So now they have garnered like more than 6,000 participants across the globe. So yeah, so that's the thing about iGEM, that it uses so basically it's an interdisciplinary platform which allows us to choose any problem statement, like be it a local one or something at a global scale, and you can actually come up with your own solution. Now the only catch here is that you have to involve synthetic biology into it. Synthetic biology is basically engineering any of the organisms, be it in a bacteria or a plant, and engineer or modify it in such a way that you can actually fit into the system and solve the problem.
So I would come to the next question, which is like, how is the stream biology relevant to engineering? Like, a lot of people actually don't know how relevant it is, but I guess you can clear up.
All the time, all these times when we grew up, starting from the middle school, when you actually hear about buzzwords like engineering, doctor, lawyer, and everything. So it's like, bacha biology liya to doctor, or computer science liya to engineering.
That's a misconception, right? Yeah.
That's a really bad misconception, I would say. So it doesn't work that way. Like biology has a lot more to offer than just dealing with plants and animals and the human body and bacteria. Like it can do wonders, I'm telling you. So biology, when combined with engineering, it is like, oh my god, it's just overwhelming. It's really overwhelming, I'm telling you. That is there. And coming to the point that how biological sciences is relevant with engineering, it's and like the best combination. Like biology has a lot to explore, lot to be explored, and biological sciences with computer science, you can do wonders in neuroscience. Then biological sciences with electrical engineering, you can develop sensors, basically the nanosensors, or so to say, and biological sciences with mechanical engineering, you have the prosthetics there, and biological sciences with chemical engineering. Like that's the best combination I can think of. So you have wastewater treatment, you have again the biochemical reactor designing, the process plants and everything that you have in the production of anything, like be it your the clothes that you're wearing.
Yeah,
So it has something to do with biology as well, like unless and until you, so it's like making, and now the time has come that we are trying to make everything more sustainable and more organic in nature, and being dependent less on plastic. Biology has a major role to play. So and in fact, like if I remember correctly, back in 2017, Bill Gates had actually, it was in one of his interviews where he said that, you know, what are the prospective fields that are coming up, and it was energy, AI, and biological sciences. So biosciences basically.
yeah, yeah.
So you know that if a man at that authoritative level has spoken up to mention these three things, that then you actually know what the value is.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, one question that people often ask, that is it relevant, how relevant it is to actually take up biology, especially if
Yeah.
you did not have it in study it in 11th and 12th grade.
Exactly.
I mean, here at BITS, the curriculum is so well structured and so well defined that you do not have to take that stress that, okay, I do not know about this, so how should I progress? How should I go about studying that very thing? And in fact, like here, I would say that the faculty has played a major role. Like it's like biological sciences at BITS Goa was the most amazing choice that I made till now, and that has been, you know, like proved by the faculty as well. Like, yeah, my choice was actually worth it, that I'm doing something worthwhile in my life. I mean, like, the teaching is a two-way thing. It does not just depend if you like the course or not. It's like you have to be like really well at it, really good, exceptionally good at it, or the faculties play a major role there too, to, you know, make it more interesting and to explain it in such a way that you are able to understand. So the BITS faculty, like the BITS Goa faculty for biological sciences, they are really good. And like, I mean, you can actually see the effort that they put into it while teaching, and the fact that they are approachable. Like, it's not just that, you know, you just attend a 50-minute class and that is the only time when you see a faculty and you're done with it. No, it's like they're really approachable and they interact with you a lot.
So, what sort of combinations would you prefer for any aspirants, like if they are willing to take up bioscience in BITS? Combinations of duels mostly.
So it's not necessary that if you join BITS Goa for biological sciences, or if you end up at BITS Goa with biological sciences, then you'll end up liking the course, because everyone has a different choice. So you cannot just expect everyone, you just cannot expect that they'll end up liking the course the way that you did. So that's about like taking BITS biological sciences, BITS Goa's biological sciences stream. So yeah, I mean, I have met several people, like especially in the juniors, when they come to me asking that how to go about doing this course or how to go about reading the subject. So first thing that I ask, or maybe especially now, they reach out to me for regarding internships, that how do I go about applying to so and so university or so under so and so prof. So the first thing that I ask is that, just instead of directly applying just for the sake of it, try to explore biology as much as you can. And BITS, in that case, it provides a really nice flexibility for you to do that in terms of the SOPs and the LOPs and DOPs. So that option is really nice. Like, it helped me explore biology to its depth. So with the help of these projects, I was able to explore what lies beyond my perspective. what lies beyond my outlook.
I guess that's it for all the doubts that I had and all the doubts that even normally other people also have while they are trying to, fill up the preference form and stuff. So she did unravel a lot of misconceptions. And so, do you want to add anything more to it?
Yes,
No,
I
something for aspirants, because even when I was applying, I had a lot of questions. I have a lot of doubts, lot of misconceptions there. So, from the eye of them, what you want to like tell, because right now you have a lot of experience. So I guess
Okay,
you want to add
two
something.
things. Yeah, two things that just came to my mind right now. Firstly, technology isn't just computer science.
Okay, yeah, definitely.
Technology isn't just computer science. Keep that in mind. Like I can literally at this point, I can lecture anyone who comes to me and say that okay, technology is just CS electrical. I'm like no, no.
Coding.
Chemical engineering is technology. And for example, like if you want me to elaborate more on it, so that's how it goes. That the pencil that you're holding, or the pen, or say so to say the laptop that you have been viewing for like hours, or the cell phone, it has a touch of a chemical engineer at each and every point, be it the plastic body or the metallic case or the silicon chip. So coding is a tool. Here I'm not demeaning in the other field, but improving the misconception, like myth busting the misconception around the
Definitely.
other street.
Yeah.
So yeah. And the second thing is just go with the flow. Like doesn't matter what stream you end up with, because very likely that you might get the stream of your choice, but you might not end up liking it well, or so to say that you are not able to perform well in your stream of choice. Or maybe you do not end up with your stream of choice. So just, it's always fun to explore. Like fine, you might not be liking it because so and so person might have told you that अरे नहीं इसमें स्कोप नहीं है, पैकेज नहीं है, ठीक है, उसके आगे भी तो देख, मतलब like package is necessary.
It's not just
scope
about
is
just
necessary. Yeah. I mean, chemical engineering के लिए इतना बोला जाता है कि bro package तो है ही नहीं, क्यों लेना है सबसे, फिर like you just look at the respective college का placement stats कि अच्छा ऐसा ऐसा है, but वैसा नहीं होता. Like chemical engineering is more about developing, more about innovation. So you just cannot end your journey by applying for a job right after you graduate. Maybe try to go deeper into the course. So it's, yeah, so basically your college life is all about exploring what you like, what you do not. You might end up liking things which you did not think that you would, or you might just end up hating things which you thought you like. So just go with the flow.
So that was Arya, and I guess you people got a lot of insights about what bio stream in BITS Pilani has to offer. So if you have any doubts, you can DM me on Instagram, or like you can reach out to Arya also. I will try to put some links below in the description, and let's see you in the next video.